Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to messenger reset your PIN tutorial for Android and iPhone. This will be a step-by-step step. So for this one, even though I'm using an iPhone as I've mentioned, this is also applicable if you're using an Android device. The first thing you want to do right now is we're just going to make sure that our application is going to be up to date. Alright? So first thing for me here is going to go to the App Store or Play Store if you have your Android or Samsung devices. I'm just gonna make sure I'm gonna go to Messenger right there. And as you can see, mine is up to date. It says open. Now, once you have made sure that your Messenger is up to date or the application is basically up to date, you wanna go to your Messenger, of course. Open it up right there. Let me just go back on the main page right there. Perfect. Alright, so once you're here, you wanna go to the three lines. Supposedly, those three lines are gonna be on the top section, but on this end, it's gonna be on the lower right. Usually it's gonna be here. Now moving forward, click there and let me just go back. And you're gonna see this one. Go to the gear icon or settings and look for the one that's called privacy and safety. This one right there. Once you're in here, look for the one that says end-to-end encrypted chats. Perfect. Once you're good with that one, go to message storage. And there we have it. You're gonna see reset pin here. If you cannot see reset pin here, most likely your message storage is going to be turned off. So basically, if you want to make sure that you don't have to enter your PIN, just turn it off. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.